Is NAPS2 not opening on your computer? That can definitely be frustrating, especially when you need to scan documents quickly. In this guide, I'll walk you through several simple fixes that can help get NAPS2 working again, starting with the easiest solutions and moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. Let's start with the simplest fix. Restart your computer completely, then try opening NAPS2 again. Yeah, a reboot clears temporary system errors and background processes that may be preventing the application from launching. If the problem continues, right-click the NAPS2 shortcut and choose Run as administrator. If Windows displays a permission prompt, click Yes. This gives the application the permissions it may need to start correctly. If NAPS2 still won't open, it's possible the installation has become corrupted. Visit the official NAPS2 website, download the latest version, and install it over your current installation, or uninstall the program first and perform a clean installation. I mean, this often replaces damaged program files without affecting your normal workflow. Another common cause is missing system components. NAPS2 relies on the Microsoft Net Desktop runtime, so make sure it's installed and up to date. If Windows recently changed or removed required files, reinstalling the runtime can often solve startup issues. If the application still doesn't launch, temporarily disable any antivirus software or security tools that might be blocking it, then try opening NAPS2 again. You can also close unnecessary background applications to rule out software conflicts. If this fixes the issue, remember to add NAPS2 as an exception in your security software before turning protection back on. And that's how to fix NAPS2 when it isn't opening. In most cases, restarting your computer, reinstalling the latest version, or updating the required Windows components solves the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.